Hey, this is Whit from Festival Drip. Today I'm going to show you the fastest way to make a candy bracelet. I've had a lot of questions about this. How do we make so many so fast? Because it seems like a painstaking task. So when you show up to a festival, you know, rocking 50 bracelets on each hand, people really trip out. But it's fun to trade and give them away. And, you know, especially when you're not expecting anything in return. So in order to do that, you need to be able to make them relatively fast. I struggled with this for a long time until I figured out this method. So it is the end of December now. I'm gonna make a countdown bracelet. So we use a nylon thread. It's got to be stretchy. Do not use string. It's got to be able to stretch around your wrist, otherwise it will snap. You can get kits like this with the letters and pretty much everything you need off of Amazon for like 20 bucks. So I always do the letters first, which is the most time-consuming part. How do you spell countdown? Yeah, baby, I'm out of green ones. I wanted to make a green and yellow one. I'm out of those. So the trick to making candy fast and making a lot of candy is you have your color beads. You do 2 at a time and then just thread them through. Boom, like that. Keep it on the reel while you do it. Pick out your colors ahead of time. Just know what you're doing. Have a plan. Do 2 at a time. Letters first, then the colors. It's actually super easy. We typically do this. Me and my girlfriends do this while we like sit around, watch TV, watch a movie. Okay, so we're almost done with this. I don't really count I'm just throwing random beads on here now. I don't really count the beads. Here's how I test. Here's how I know when the thread's got to go through the beads. Through the beads, go through the beads. Here's how you know when you're done. Got to be able to go around the wrist, which this one does. So it doesn't have to be huge. I'm gonna throw 2 more on here. You know what I mean? You could really make a candy every 2-3 minutes if you're sitting down, chilling, watching a movie or whatever. I like to do it when we're watching live streams. Boom, I don't have my clippers with me, but yeah, just cut that off. Countdown, boom, you're good. Easy, right?
Are you ready to